This is the TGA instrument. TGA stands for Thermogravimetric Analyzer. This instrument is essentially a very accurate balance with a furnace surrounding the sample side of the balance. It is designed to measure weight changes during a temperature program. Always wear gloves when handling tweezers, and always use tweezers to pick up pan. You will need to place your sample 1 to 5 milligrams in a sample pan called zero pan, made of aluminum. If your sample is susceptible to lose a lot of volatile during your temperature program, you will need to cover the pan with a lid, a zero lid, either a regular one or a hermetic one. For details on sample preparation and the choice of lids, please refer to the red binder. Open the compressed air tanks and the compressed N2 tanks, main valve only. Do not modify the settings of the secondary pressure manifold. The instrument uses compressed air at the end of an experiment to accelerate the cooling step. This is N2 to ensure the heating steps are done in a controlled atmosphere without oxygen to avoid oxidation of your sample. Start your experiment by tearing the balance using an empty sample pan. Simply place the empty sample pan on the auto sampler, select sample, load. Never ever attempt to load the sample on the hook yourself. To prevent the sample from falling into the furnace, you must hold a weight paper above the furnace hole during any loading or unloading action. Once the empty sample pan is loaded and the furnace is closed, wait for a few minutes, up to 5 minutes, for the tear procedure to complete. Once it is complete, the furnace will automatically open. The sample will automatically be unloaded. To write your experiment program, simply click on the tab Summary, Procedure then Notes, and enter the appropriate information. Temperature ramps are typically 10 to 15 Celsius per minute, and maximum temperature is 430 Celsius. Remember to select your data folder for your data, or else they will be saved in someone else's folder. Pay attention to post-run conditions. Click on appropriate button to set them up. For details, refer to the red binder. Once your program is written, click on Apply. Now prepare your sample. For solids, cut an edge small enough to fit in the pan. For powders, cover evenly the bottom of the pan. Place your sample in the previously tiered zero pan. Click the green start icon. The run will start. Remember to place a weight paper above the furnace hole during the load step. TGA runs are typically 15 to 60 minutes long and can include ramp, equilibrate, isotherms, and cooling steps. Once your experiment is complete, your sample will either stay loaded and the furnace will stay closed, and your sample will be returned to the autosampler arm and the furnace will open. This depends on the post condition you have chosen when you were setting up your data acquisition parameters. At this point, you are ready to open universal analysis and analyze your data. Details on how to do that refer to the red binder in the help menu.